Hai repengrang sakanti kori saksawang gital kepa video na to repengrang dalni video dijan fishing competition aru ya fishing competition khalani biapte venu khaldang rongge organized by four brothers aru ya khalani tarikh hote to na ha githam September hajargini kholdikbri aru ya khalani somay hote to na ha suku bajioni gini bajiona to repengrang ino entry fees kote to na ha hajarsa riksa githam aro yeno first prize to na ha laksa second prize to na ha 1000 sotbonga third prize to na ha 1000 kholri bonga fourth prize to na ha 1000 sibonga to repengrang ino yasa nongja to ino consolation prize ba pangprek to na ha aro consolation prize rangko A group B group dake to na ha to consolation A group to na ha saoni sakchiking na 1000 sini dake do na ha aro consolation B group saoni sak kholbik na 1000 bonga dake to na ha to ino lucky draw ba donga to lucky draw ni ticket ni dam kholrik mangmang aro lucky draw ni first prize to na ha 1000 dok second prize to na ha 1000 githam third prize to na ha 1000 gini fourth prize to na ha 1000 sarik chabonga aro 5 goba prize to na ha 1000 sa to repengrang ino rule and regulation ba donga to rule and regulation de nasong de masya to rule and regulation ni gomon nasong ya khamasi organizer ni contact number ba dona ha to organizer contact number de 9863575629 aro second go ba de 8837058896 aro last go ba de 6001790584 yat ki githam number dona ha to yat number jiba number sin asong contact khaimung organizer baksa golpona manaigen to repengrang aru ya khaldang ongade nasong khaldang de golpa district akenga to nasong risoni krishnai road gitai bawde risoni kilometer githamrang gaken aro krishnai gitai bade nasong kilometer sigingrang gaken to rongge de ongade aro rongge de khaldang oni jol jol kilometer sarang nasong khorokpara ramageta na paibo to repengrang yan dalni video de aro nasong ang channel kita lang ode ang channel ko subscribe khabo like khabo comment khabo thanks